Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing Fettuccine Alfredo the authentic way, the way it was actually made originally back in 1908 by the inventor Alfredo di Lillo. He made it for his wife originally, put it on the menu on his restaurant in 1908. In 1920, Douglas Fairbanks and Mary Pickford, Hollywood superstars in the 20s, enjoyed it so much that they sent Alfredo solid gold spoon and fork, and it took off from that point on. It is one of the most popular dishes here in America. Anyways, we're going to make it the authentic way, the way Alfredo made it originally. Start off with a pot of water. We're going to add a liberal amount of salt to it and bring to a boil. Then we're going to add our fettuccine noodles and cook as directed on the package. In this case, it was between 10 and 11 minutes. And once we get our pasta going good, we're going to reserve about a cup and a half of pasta water. Now we'll strain the pasta once it's cooked and immediately add it back to the hot pot that we cooked it in. We're going to add 3 good tablespoons of good quality butter. And we're going to mix that up real good until all the butter has melted. Then we're going to add about a quarter and maybe a little more than a quarter cup of pasta water back to that pasta and mix that up with the melted butter. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of freshly grated high quality Parmesan cheese. And we're going to give that a real good mix. Now this is where the cream sauce will be made. As you mix that in, you add a little bit more pasta water. And once you get to the consistency that you like, you've got your perfect creamy fettuccine Alfredo. Make sure every noodle is coated nice. And you're ready to plate. So what I like to do is take my little pasta fork, use that to plate onto the bowl. Then I'm going to add some fresh Parmesan on top, and then some freshly cracked pepper. And you've got authentic fettuccine Alfredo. You're going to like it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back soon. And hit that bell to stay up to date on recipes. And you make this dish, you're going to make Alfredo a very happy man. Alright. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.